I'm back and I got another awesome video for you guys of ceramic coating the carbon fiber side skirts. In the last video, you know that I polished these bad boys up, made them shine real nice, and now we need to protect these so they don't get destroyed while they're on the car. And we need two very simple products. IPH solution to rub it down, and I'm going to use C Quartz Deluxe plastic and wheel protection ceramic coating to wrap these bad boys with this. As you can see, it protects plastic, vinyl, rubber, car wheels, brake calipers, so it's safe for clear coats, any type of plastic. So it's going to be perfect to use on these side skirts. So let's clean them up with the rubbing alcohol and get to coating. Look at all that nastiness that came off of there. Alright guys, so now that I got you here, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using, which is C Quartz Deluxe. So let's get this bad boy set up. So as you can see, this is why they recommend that you toss out any microfiber towels that you use to wipe off ceramic coating, because look how hard this has gotten over time. I mean, this is crystallized, and if you try to reuse this, this is just going to create scratches and swirls in the finish. So definitely toss this out, get a fresh one, and let's get to work. So you have these slits in the pad that you're just gonna wrap this around, and you could use your thumb to separate this and then stick this into it. Here we go. So as always, shake up your ceramic coating very well. And I'm going to do 2 coats of the application on here. One, we'll let it dry, wipe it off. We'll do the other one and repeat the steps. So let's get to work. I am excited to see this finished product. I'll probably do half, top and bottom. Let that flash, wipe it down, and then do the other side. So you get your pad, you get the product, liberal application across the pad. There you go. And put the cap on and get to work. So I'm going to hold this underneath and we'll start right here. There's quite a few angles, so make sure you get all of them. I'm gonna go up to this hole right here. Try to do a crosshatch pattern, go back and forth a few times over it. All right. We're going to let that sit for about 30 seconds. Let me grab my towel that I'm going to be tossing out after this, and we're going to wipe it down. So I'm looking for that rainbow effect. Starting to see it there. Camera's probably not picking it up, but I'm going to go ahead and buff off. What you're doing when you buff this off is basically you're leveling the ceramic coating off, so there's no high spots or low spots. We'll carry on and go from this side down this way. So again, apply some of the coating onto your pad, close the top so it doesn't crystallize. Ay caramba, difficulties. And let's get to work. Work it in extremely well to all the nooks and crannies. Make sure every edge is covered. Okay. Let that sit for 30 seconds and we're going to buff off. And then just right off the bat, initial impressions. I run the back of my finger across the non-coated one. This is this one. And it's very sticky, tacky almost feeling. Then we run our finger across the coated one. Glides like butter. Alright guys, that is the finished product. They are nicely protected. They have a great shine to them. They're gonna be water beating, and that's all you could ask for a nice ceramic coating. Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all the videos. Take care. Bye.